Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to learn how to make a photo blurry in Capcut. Let's get started. Here I have my Capcut opened, and what we're going to do is click on New Project right here. Then choose the photo that you want to make it blurry. Alright, and I'll go with this photo. Just click on the photo, then click at right here on the bottom right corner of your screen. Here's the photo that we want to make it blurry, and if you want to make the photo blurry, you have to click on effect option, and before we choose the effect, we have to click on video effect right here, and you have to search for a blurry effect like this. And there will be a lot of options for you, and I'll just go with this hazy. Just click on the effect, then wait for a moment, and let's go back to our video, and don't forget to press this check mark. Alright, and we can adjust the length like this. Alright, let's check it. Okay guys, that's how we can make a photo blurry in Capcut. I hope this video will help you. Thanks for watching and see you!